guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I hope you're all doing well. Happy Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday night, and I hope you guys are all doing well. By the time this video gets up in YouTube land, as I always lovingly call it, it'll be probably Thursday morning, early Thursday morning. So happy Thursday to you guys as well. So I hope you guys had a good Wednesday. I stayed home today, didn't do much to write home about, but you guys, I ended up going back on ThredUp again today, and I ordered myself something else from ThredUp. So I just did an order earlier this week, and then another order yesterday, and then an order today from ThredUp. So you guys, I'm becoming like a ThredUp. I love it so much, ThredUp. So because you guys know I can't go to the Goodwill physically right now, so I feel like that's my way of getting it's kind of, it's like the Goodwill, it's online. Some things are new with tags, but it's all like, you know, Goodwill's kind of, the vibe is like Goodwill. So it's like, because it's reduced prices and everything like that. I love ThredUp, you guys. I love it. I'll put my, there's like a link below. I'll put in my description box below me that if you you click on that, it gets you, if you sign up, you get $10 off of your first purchase. I don't think it works on your rescue boxes, because remember I did a rescue box and I love my rescue boxes. But I think it works on just your general purchases on, you know, like one time $10 off on their website. So I can't wait to show you guys what I ordered from ThredUp. Like I said, I did 3 separate orders, and I'm so excited. So, and I'll probably be shopping on there tomorrow again. I'm serious, guys. I'm totally serious. You will see when I get my orders in that I was not joking. Like, I'm literally shopping on ThredUp a lot. So it all started, my love for ThredUp started when I did my scarf unboxing, and I will include that video in the back. Oops, I'm getting stuck on my shirt. I'll include that video in the back of this video. If you want to see that, if you haven't seen it and you want to see the ThredUp, the scarf video I did, I ordered 24 mystery scarves from ThredUp. So anyway, that was super fun. Okay, so what I'm here today to show you is Ipsy. So I got my Ipsy in the mail today, actually, in the mail. Actually, they dropped it off at my doorstep, so that was really nice. So anyway, I got my Ipsy. I did look at my credit card today, and I think it was charged, I could be wrong, and I think taxes are different in different states. I quickly glanced at it, and I think it was $12.93 I was charged for my Ipsy. I could be wrong, though. And it could be different, like I said, because I'm in California, and I don't know if that has, you know, taxes and whatnot played a role in the different cost. And also, I'm super excited, guys, because I found my ring. I just found it today. I'm so excited because you guys know I always wear my butterfly ring, which I love, love, love so much. But I found this green ring. I have been looking for it, and I found it. Like literally, you know, when you like I searched and searched and searched for it like for months. Okay, and then today I it was in my bathroom, and my earring had fell, and I found it. It had fallen behind like my tub, like I couldn't see it. And I was like, oh my gosh. Like I searched everywhere, and then when I wasn't looking for it, I found it. It was so nice. So yeah, I found my ring. I'm so excited, guys. This is another thrift store ring, and I love, love, love it. These are both my thrift store rings. And I just, like you guys know, I love my jewelry so much. Okay, so let's get into this Ipsy haul, because that's what you're here for, right? You want to see what I got on Ipsy? And I do too. This time, Ipsy let me select one item. I don't know if this was like this for everybody else, but they actually emailed me. And they said you can choose one item for your bag, and out of those like 5 items or 6 items, something like that. So I think, and I can't remember, I think I chose a mascara. I think I did. So let's go ahead and see. Oh my gosh, I'm going to get like stuck this whole time on my shirt while I'm doing my video. Okay, let's see what I actually got, because I can't actually remember. I think it was mascara. I think, if my memory is serving me right. I don't know. I can't tell anymore. Just don't know. All right, let me open it up. Okay, opening it up. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. It's got the little Ipsy sign on the back. That's really cute, right? It looks like a sunrise or a sunset. It's so pretty. These make great like pencil pouches because I get so many, right? Because I've been doing this for so long that I have 3 daughters and a son, and a lot of my girls like to use these for their pencil pouches and stuff like that. So this is actually pretty cute though. I'm gonna have to use this for my purse. I like that it's like bendable, so I can like shove it in my purse because I have a small purse. So I like that. So, all right, let's go ahead and see what's inside, what we got. Okay. So here is the little card. You get that little card. It tells you everything that's in there. So we'll go ahead and I'll peek at this as I'm doing this so I can see what I got with you guys. So there it is. Okay. So what is this? The first thing I'm picking up is something that says solution, wake up call, overnight regenerative facial treatment. Dr. Gold something. Overnight creamy facial moisturizer will make skin appear firmer and feel stronger, leaving skin supple, smooth, and hydrated. So it's for dry and aging skin. So I might try this. I'm not sure if I'm going to try it, guys. I don't know. I don't know. I should try it. Like I said, somebody asked me, left a really sweet comment and asked me what I use for my skincare. And as far as like, you know, like what I use. And you guys, I don't use moisturizer, and I know I should, just like my hair. We talked about this yesterday, right? Was it yesterday's video or the day before? I don't use conditioner in my hair, and I know I should. I'm like being naughty. Like I definitely need to be like using conditioner for my hair and also for my face. Like I know I'm supposed to, guys, and I hope that in 20 years I won't look back and be like, Sarah, why didn't you use moisturizer when it's too late, you know? So I need to start using moisturizer on my skin. I know. It's like, it's like one extra step I just don't want to do. So, but I know I need to do it. So these kind of things kind of help me. This is though an overnight thing. It's totally different than like a moisturizer, I think. But I do have Clinique moisturizer, which I really like, and I just ordered it around Christmas time, and I maybe used it twice. So it's like I really need to use it more. The only thing I use is face wash before I go to bed and when I wake up in the morning, and that is it. I don't use any other facial products at all. And like I said, I know I should start, especially, yeah, because I'm 40 years old, and like I don't want to wake up tomorrow and be like, oh no, you know, I could have helped prevent, you know, some things if I had used moisturizer. So I need to start using moisturizer. I know that. So, because I know somebody, like I said, had asked me, it was a really sweet comment, like, what do I use? And I replied, I'm like, I know I need to use moisturizer. So, but I do, if you guys want to know what I use for just my face wash, I use the Aveeno Ultra Calming Facial Wash. I just buy it at like Target, Walmart. It's everywhere. The Aveeno Ultra Calming Face Wash, something like that. It's by Aveeno, and I think it says Ultra Calming like face wash. So if you guys want to know exactly what the name is, I can put it, if you ask me in the comments, I can actually double look. If anybody's interested, then I'll put the comment, or I'll put exactly what it is that I use. Okay. So anyways, all right, guys, so let's go ahead and keep going. So there's that. So I guess I'll give that a whirl. I don't know. I'll try it. I know I should at least. What is this? Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. So this is it. Roller Lash. This is what I asked for. Okay. So this is by Benefit, and I love their mascara, you guys. So I'm glad I got this. Super glad. I love me some mascara, guys. Like I love mascara. I wear it heavy. Like I love my mascara. And this, I use L'Oreal. Most of the time I've used it for years and years. But like when I get freebies, like, well, I wouldn't call this a freebie. I mean, I paid for this with the sample, but like, I really do like the Benefit mascara. I really, really do. And I haven't tried this exact formula, but I've done the Benefit mascara before, and I really, really like it. So we'll go ahead and give this a try. And yeah, I'm going to try it like tomorrow. So it says Roller Lash. And I'll go ahead and open up the wand and see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like. So it looks just like that. So it looks like almost like plasticky, if I'm like seeing it right, but it's very moves, like very like flexible. So yay, I'm glad I got that. And this color is black mascara. Okay, so the color is black. So that'll be good. So I'm glad about that. This is worth that for me. This was good. Then the next thing I've got was, it's wrapped up in bubble wrap. And let's see. Let us see. Looks like I think it's a powder or a highlighter. I get so many highlighters in my Ipsy bags, guys. Okay, what is this? Space Case Cosmetics. First impressions. There's the box. And I am just getting stuck and stuck and stuck, but I don't want to take my bracelet off. I love my bracelet. Okay. Okay, so what are you? What are you? What are you? It's either a highlighter or Space Case. I've never heard of that. Oh my goodness, what is this? All right, it's an eyeshadow. Oh boy, okay. Where, it doesn't even say on here, what? Eyeshadow? Cream? You guys, it's an eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow. That's pretty. But I didn't, let me see. That's pretty. I mean, it's nothing special to me. But I don't really know a lot about eyeshadows. This could be like amazing and I don't know it. I just put my finger in there. If that's why you're seeing a little print, is because I was testing it out. But there it is. This is made by Space Case and it's got like, it has almost like an aluminum look to it. So it could be really pretty. I could give that a try. Again, eyeliner and eyeshadow, I'm like always a little scared to use because I feel like eyeliner, I still haven't mastered quite how to get that perfect line, and you know, and then eyeshadow, I'm kind of like, just don't know a lot about eyeshadow. So, all right, the next thing I got is Sugar Lip Polish. Okay, that'll be nice to have. I love lip polish. It's like, you know, scrubs off the dead skin cell on your lip. How am I saying that right? Not saying that right. The, you know, exfoliates is what I'm trying to say. Years and years and years and years ago, like in my 20s, Mary Kay had, and I don't know if Mary Kay still has it, but they had a really nice lip exfoliator back in like I'm really dating myself, like 1998 or something. So bad. It makes me sound like, I can't even believe I'm 40 years old, guys. I just turned 40 this year, like in February. I cannot believe that I'm 40 years old. It's like just, and then when I say 1998, it sounds like forever ago, right? So, but yeah, 1998, I would have been 18 years old. And I remember buying Mary Kay around that time. So, anyway, Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm definitely going to use that. Yeah, I really like to, take care of my lips. And so Sugar Lip Polish, Pina Colada by NIU Beauty. So NIU Body. Sorry, NIU Body. So, then I feel like this brochure doesn't go with like what I got. I don't know why. I'm just like, it's like not cream. It's like, I don't think this is the right brochure. That's weird. That's weird. I don't know. Okay. Anywho, the last thing I got is, ooh, I love Tarte, you guys, a lip gloss. Yes, honey. I got a lip gloss. I'm going to have to try that on. I love me some lip glosses. So this is a pretty good bag this year, this month, not this year, for May. We're in May, guys, right? Yeah, May. Yeah, May. So it's like May 13th today, I think. It's Thursday, whatever day that is. So, but yeah, this is pretty. This color is called, what are you? Hang 10, I think. Hang 10, I think is the color. Not for sure, though. It's H2O Gloss, Tarte by Tarte. So, and I don't even have anything that, it doesn't even say anything in here about this. Like, I think this is the wrong, yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I think this is the wrong brochure. Okay, so I'll try it on. Ooh, that's pretty. I mean, it's probably not going to show because I have lip gloss on, you guys, so, I mean, it's probably not going to show. But, you guys, I love lip gloss. So, this was a pretty good bag. This is way better than last month's, okay? In my opinion, what I got is way better than last month's. So, like, I literally haven't even touched what came in the April Ipsy bag. Like, I was just looking at it today, and I was like, I haven't even looked in it, you know? And so, I definitely will be using the content in this more so than the one in April. Oh, April was not even good. It was not even that good. Okay. I hate to be negative Nelly about it, but it wasn't that. It just, I almost canceled my Ipsy subscription because of that. But now this is making up for it. Cause like I love Benefit. Like this is worth it to me. And then this lip gloss, good. worth it because I like the brand Tarte, and then also the lip scrub. So I got 3, 4, 5 products. So all in all, I would rate this bag. What would you say this bag is out of a 10? I would say this bag is probably a 7, you know? I mean, I don't know. I'm not like overwhelmed like by it. Like it's not like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. But I think it's still good. Like I still think it's good, you know. And it's fun to try new things. And I'll try the eyeshadow. I just don't know when I'll try it, but I'll try it. So, anyways, guys, there it is. That's my Ipsy May. I don't know if they have different Ipsy bag colors for like they're, you know, sometimes they do that. They'll do a variety of bags, like the same type of idea, but different, you know, ideas going on or colors. But that's my Ipsy for you for May. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And today is Wednesday, right? I keep saying that. So tomorrow's Thursday. Yes. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday, you guys. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And if you want to, that is. And my returning family, thank you guys so much for being with me and hanging out with me. And for everybody here watching this video, thank you so much for just, you know, just keeping me company, like I said, and just your friendship. It means so, so much to me. So with that being said, I'll close this video for now, but I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Probably the same time, same place. No, I'm teasing, but around the same time. I usually try to post my videos around the same time. Sometimes I do earlier ones, you know. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'll see you back tomorrow with my next video. So till next time, everybody, take care of yourselves, okay? God bless you all, and I'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.